It is Bill from the Mathenia Insurance Group, and I wanted to go ahead and go over with you real quick a comparison that I did recently for a customer. This customer was with Liberty Mutual and had been there several years. Unfortunately, they've experienced a couple of rate increases with their current carrier, so they reached out to me to get a couple of quotes. Obviously, I'm a broker. I have several options for them, but one in particular I wanted to go over with you. They've been with Liberty for about 3 years now, as far as they were able to remember. This here is the coverages they currently had with Liberty. Now, it's super important to remember that shopping insurance every other year is necessary. Rates change all the time. Your premium will go up every year, so it is super important to make sure that someone else is looking out for you that has options. So I took their current insurance and I just compared it, apples to apples, with my carriers, and this is one of two carriers that came in less expensive with more coverage. So they're currently paying $133.75 a month. I quoted them $109 a month with travelers insurance. You can see here limits are identical except for deductibles, right? So one of the concerns they had was being able to pay $1,000 out of pocket if they had an accident. So I was able to lower their deductible down to 500, which cuts it in half, and give them free glass. So that means that if a chip, crack, breaker replacement were to happen, they would have a zero out of pocket. But if anything else were to happen, hail damage, they hit a deer, they get into an auto accident, the maximum out of pocket for them is only 500. Plus, I was able to give them roadside assistance. Now, in addition to that, for 125 a month, I'm able to give them more than double their limits of liability. Super important when you're considering what you have to protect. So if you look at 1 year's annual income, what you have in savings, what the value of your home is, and add all that up, those are all things that the other party, if you are at fault in an accident, can come at you for and actually take from you. We're a garnishment state in Missouri. They can garnish up to 30% of your wages. So just know that. So adding the additional protection, but keeping the deductibles lower, also gave them a little bit in savings. So with this, I was able to show them a couple of options, and I just wanted to share that with you guys because today I wanted to bring you a little bit of what I do and kind of get that out there. If there's any questions you have or want to look at additional savings against your current carrier, I'll do the same thing for you. Hit the button below, request a quote, and I'll be more than happy to get them out to you.